I'll read it for you, no, Angelica. A very reliable source ng Showbiz Central told us na not that only you're engaged, pero kinasal ka na. That you just haven't said that you're married na pala. How true is this? Are you a wife right now?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, totoo po.
You got married. So yung engagement of December, that was the engagement. Totoo yun. Engagement
Totoo
talaga yun.
Engagement.
Pero kinasal ka na.
Yes. Kailan?
Kailan?
August 19.
August.
Bakit August 19? Wala na.
Nilihim.
Hindi naman.
Nilibay.
Yung engagement kasi inutusan talaga ako. So
Okay.
kaya ako yun kailangang itago. Pero ito naman, gusto lang namin munang ma-enjoy ng kaming dalawa. Kasi ayoko yung ini-enjoy ko palang kailangan ko na agad mag-explain sa lahat ng tao. Kasi minsan mahirap eh. Kailangan, di ba, mag-sink in muna rin sa'yo.
Wow, so you're a wife now. So you are a family woman. Hindi yung
Yes.
handa. You are presently a family woman.
Yes.
Okay. Alam mo, Angelica.
Congrats, girl! Thank you!
Alam mo, Angelica, I have one more question, no? And this one medyo mas mabigat kaysa sa isa, no? We also had information from a reliable source. Yung reliable source na nagsabi na you're married now. So, ganong katotoo, buntis ka ngayon? And would you like to be completely honest about this, na you are currently pregnant at nagdadala ka ng tao?
May tubig ba kayo? Natutuhin
Sige,
ako.
pwede tubig. Ako din.
Ikaw din. Sige, nakabahan ka din. Hindi,
Angelica, are you pregnant?
I don't want to lie kasi sa totoo lang masayang-masaya ako sa... I am pregnant.
Congratulations.
I'm 3 months pregnant. And
3 months?
3 months. And I'm very, very happy and I'm very, very proud.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you. Congrats,
Ano ang reaction ng family mo? At syempre yung husband mo na si Orion. Ang
Ay, siya
nalaman niya na-
masayang-masaya siya, syempre. Pero kaming sobrang saya kasi syempre napakalaking biyaya po ito na galing sa Diyos. And pareho naman naming gusto. So pareho kaming masayang-masaya. And yung family ko naman din is very, very supportive.
In half a year, no, Angelica, you're gonna be a mom.
Yeah. Akalain mo si Angelica! Mami na!
Angelica, in 6 months, no, magiging mommy ka.
Wow.
Pag tumitingin ka sa buhay mo, yung childhood ni Angelica de la Cruz, at yung mga dinaanan mo nung bata ka, what are you gonna do different with your child? What are you gonna, may kulang ba nung sa childhood mo na dapat kailangan ibigay sa daughter or son mo in 6 months?
Hindi naman. Kasi, ang mami at daddy ko talaga namang lagi nandyan para sa akin. So, wala akong siguro iibahin. Siguro, gagayahin ko lang yung ginawa nila na lagi silang nandyan. Ako din, lagi akong nandyan. Siyempre kami nila ni Orion para alagaan siyempre yung bata.
Ano mga lessons that you learned also siguro na gusto mo ituro sa anak mo? Yung mga lessons of...
Paano ka magiging mami? Anong attack?
Anong attack? Well, siguro, ako yung tipong magiging mommy na ako din yung magiging kaibigan din ako ng anak ko. Gusto ko kasi ganong klaseng relationship. Yung hindi lang basta nanay, gusto ko kaibigan din. Para, syempre, mas maganda yung communication namin dalawa.
Yeah, and kay Orion naman, bilang wife,
Husband ko siya, hindi siya wife.
Bilang
wife? Well, syempre, I will be a good wife. I will be a good wife. He knows that naman.
Oh, he is here. Do you want to say anything to him? Maybe look over there and a simple message for your husband, na si Orion.
Well,
Daddy to be.
honey, I love you, you know that. And pareho tayong super masaya ngayon. Kaya okay lang yan, enjoy natin tong moment. And I'm looking forward to spend my whole life with you.
Alright. Very nice.
sweet.
Kahit medyo maaga, how about a message for your upcoming baby?
Ay naku, baby, wag ka magiging kaugali ko. Mahirapan ako. Siyempre, baby, my God, ano ba? Mahal na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo. Siguro yung parang muna, hindi ko alam kung naman sabihin ko na si Tensa ko. Yun na lang muna.
Paano mo siya inaalaga? I mean, anong nagliligal pa paano?
Hindi, alam mo nung Thursday ko lang nalaman.
Wow.
So, nagtitaping ako, nagkikickboxing ako, nag-sports ako, hindi ko alam. Kaya I'm very, very thankful na okay pa rin. Happy, syempre.
Last message for someone, Angelica. Your message for your parents, yung mga magulang mo, yung daddy mo, yung mommy mo.
My mom's here, to my mommy and to my dad. Thank you so much for always being here for me, for guiding me, understanding me, and supporting me all the way. Maswerte ang baby ko na kayo ang magiging grandparents nila.
Okay, thank you, Angelica, for trusting us here at Showbiz Central.
Thank you. Congrats! Ayan. And Mo, I would also like to thank, of course, GMA. Kasi I told them kanina, Tita Wilma, Tita Lilibeth, Nanay Rams, of course, Tita Edlyn, Tita Camille, thank you so much sa alaga at sa support ang binibigay niyo sa akin. Kasi ang sarap ng feeling na, syempre, ganito yung situation ko and all, full support kayo. Maraming
We love you,
I'm so
Angelica,
thankful
dito sa
from the
GMA.
bottom of my heart.
Angelica, nandito yung little sister mo, yung cute na sister mo na si Mika. May kasama siyang flowers. She's gonna be tita.
Yes.
She'll be tita one day.
Si Mika.
Thank you, baby.
Mika, message mo sa ate mo ngayong, na siya? May asawa na.
Sana po, hindi niya po kami makalimutan yung family niya po. Tsaka po sana po, magustuhan po ako ng baby niya.
Okay. Angelica, Mika, maraming salamat
Sana
ulit.
mag-sunder siya ng baby mo. Kasi baby niya eh.
Oh, that's right. Okay lang yan.
Anyway.
Sisters na lang kayo. Maraming salamat ulit, girls. Thank you very much for trusting us dito sa
Yes,
Showbiz
thank you
Central
so much.
para i-disclose these things here sa Central Jury. Na-appreciate
Yes.
namin ni Rufa Mito.
Ngayon lang niya in-announce, no? Na
Yes,
mami
ngayon
na
lang.
siya. And, thank you, salamat.
That's right.
Super
Thank you very much.
honest.
We're
Ayan.
very impressed by you always.
Yes.
Sige, maraming
Mika,
salamat ulit. Anything else you want to thank you? Any other messages or thank yous?
Oh, well, thank you lang. Siyempre, Showbiz Central, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, GMA. Thank you to my family, my husband, Honey, I love you. Thank you so much. And sa family din niya, kay Teng, kay Arlene, kay Tita Ray, thank you so much.
Yes.
Mahal ko po kayo.
Sige,
Okay,
okay.
thank you na rin kay Jazz, yung gamit ko kanina. Tapos sa Jerry Santos. Mamaya po, ito na ang family feud level na tayo.
Uy!
Richard
Nakita siya
Gomez
kanina.
po,
Right.
live na live.
That's right. Okay.
Ngayong linggo sa isang talk show.
All right.
With us.
Babalik ang Showbiz Central. Don't go away. Thank you.